Coming to you today with my review of Daniel Smith's Quinacridone Burnt Orange. And this is a really interesting color. It's a color I do like to use in my palette quite a bit too. So Quinacridone Burnt Orange is PO48. It's a slightly granulating, very strong blood orange color. You can see here there's a couple examples of some paintings I've used this color in. And it's interesting because when you get this color, you're going to find that out of the tube, it's really hard to emulsify it. So you really have to kind of grind this color up to get a big puddle of it. But it's a very kind of dark blood orange. I'm doing here a graduated wash. I'm going to go from dark to light. Let gravity do the work for you, people. And I'm going to add some more water to this and lighten it up. You can see it's a very blood orange looking color here. But you do find that when you're trying to mix it up, it's really hard to get a big puddle of it. And sometimes what I have to do if I'm going to do like a really large wash is I just mix it up in another bowl and I use an oil brush, a hard bristled oil brush, just to grind it up and get it emulsified. You can start to see just the beautiful warmth of this color here. And I'm zooming in on this a little bit. You can see the granulation here. Now, this color is a very strong stainer. Once it dries on the paper, you're not going to be able to get it off very easily. But as you can see here, it also blossoms very well. I love to blossom with this color. And to create blossoms, what you do, and that's what I'm going to try to do here on this swatch, is you put the color down on the paper. And then while the color is still wet, what I'm doing here on the piece of paper is I'm going to get the water even across the whole surface, let it sit there for a couple seconds. If the paint's too wet, you're not going to get a good blossoming effect. You have to let the color start to soak into the paper just a little bit. Then while there still is a sheen to it, you go back in and you drop more water on top of that, and that's what creates your water blossoms, because that extra water is going to push the pigment aside. Just going to drop some clean water into it here. Eventually, I guess I'm waiting a few seconds. Anticipation. Here comes the water. Ooh, look at that. I'm taking some of this color off while it's still wet, taking some of the color off. Then I'm gonna come back in with more water. See if I can really control this water blossom. And water blossoms are difficult because you just got to give it a couple minutes for it to do its effect. You can't mess with it too much. It's like the snake you find on the greenway, you know? It'll bite you. And over here, I forgot to turn on the camera, but I wanted to do like a light value wash to see what this does in the light values. Now in the light values, you can see the granulation also quite a bit in this image. Daniel Smith's Quinacridone Burnt Orange is a powerhouse. Rich blood orange color, highly staining, with gorgeous water blossoms that explode into unforgettable sunset washes. And if you enjoyed this content, please hit subscribe. If you're interested in all the materials used in this painting, check out the YouTube description below. Thank you for watching, and happy painting.